needs a lash when you have a big fat bang?
I'm just so pretty. Like, oh my god. Tell me, your makeup looks amazing. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it so much. Stop.
I don't trust this. I don't trust this.
Matronly bride right here.
There's one red room. I don't know if he's down there because I don't remember when I came. We're gonna do the dressing room shot for the size, but not like in the picture because it's too intrusive. To me, drag is just like something that's just to be super fun and carefree.
It's giving.
I'm a pretty girl, Mom. It's my wedding day.
We are living in a world of change at the moment with regard to the anti-drag, anti-LGBTQ, the queer community, our trans brothers and sisters. And what we need to realize is that the fact is we are making progress. We are getting attention. We are seeing that the world is seeing all of us. And some feathers are ruffled. Well, guess what? We've got a lot of ruffles, we've got a lot of feathers, and we're going to keep on shaking them and showing the world that we truly are one.
One of the things that I've done for myself, for my community, is just being like a big voice in the community. I have this amazing platform, and I feel like whoever you are, and if you are an ally, if you are a supporter of my community, if you are part of my community and you do have a platform, use it.